Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to One Page Biology. In today's video, we are going to discuss another very important topic which is from the chapter Living World of unit number 1 11th standard NCERT. So in today's video, we are going to discuss what is taxonomy. So let me write down the name of the topic. So the name of the topic is what is taxonomy. So dear students, in my earlier video, I had explained to you all the concept of scientific names. So now you have a fair idea of what are scientific names and how are they written. So in today's video, we will talk specifically on what is taxonomy, why it has been done, and what is the significance of taxonomy in biology. So let us try and understand this term which is nothing but taxonomy. So let me write down this term for you all. Taxonomy. Okay. Now guys, if you carefully observe this particular term called as taxonomy, you can see that there are two words hidden inside this entire term taxonomy. Can you identify them? Let us see. So the first part is something called as here taxo, and the second part is nomy. Okay, so the first part is known as taxo, which is actually coming from the word taxa, and basically these are all Greek words, dear students, because like the entire biology itself is Greek. It is written in either or the Latin words. So here the word taxo is coming from the Greek word taxa, and here the other word we can see is nomy. So first we will try and understand what is taxa, and then we will also understand what is nomy. Okay, now in simple words, if I have to tell you what exactly is taxa, taxa means categories. I will explain you in a while what do you understand by categories, but first let's just understand step by step. So as I said, taxa, the meaning of the word taxa is categories. Similarly, the meaning of the word nomy is basically, the word nomy comes from the word nomenclature. Correct? Okay. Now let us understand. So as we just said that taxa means categories, nomy means nomenclature. Now let me give you one example over here. So for example, let me write down the scientific name of dog. So do you all know the scientific name of the dog? Let me help you out with this. The scientific name of dog is Canis lupus familiaris. Again, let me repeat, Canis lupus familiaris. Now you all may wonder, because in my previous video which I had made on scientific names, I had explained to you all that I had said in that video that in scientific name there are always two words. The first word represents the genus and the second word represents the species. But now here you can see there are three words. So in this, what is exactly genus and what is exactly species? So Dear students, let me first of all clarify that, of course, as per the binomial nomenclature, every scientific name has two words. That's the first criteria, and that's why it is called binomial. Bi means two. But yes, there are certain exceptions wherein you will see there are three words. So this can be considered as a three exception, because here there are again three words: canis, lupus and familiaris. But in this, what you need to know is the first word, that is canis. This is the genus to which dog animal belongs. So this is representing the genus. Only the canis word is representing the genus. Whereas the other two words, which are nothing but lupus familiaris, these two represent the species of the animal dog. Correct? So here the word first, that is the first word canis, is representing genus, and the second word lupus and the third word familiaris is representing the species. So why am I telling you all this is, let's come back to the question of what is taxonomy. Now here we said that there are two different words, that is, one is taxa and other is nomi. So taxa means categories and nomi means nomenclature. The words dog or canis, lupus, familiaris, which is nothing but the name of the animal dog, canis lupus familiaris is the scientific name of the dog. This is representing taxa. It is the taxa. Whereas categories are nothing but genus and species. Getting my point? Categories are nothing but genus and species. Again, simple example, that is humans, right? Or rather, the scientific name of human is Homo sapien. Correct? Now in this, Homo is again the genus, and sapien is again species. So Homo and sapien, these are the two representing taxa, and genus and species specifically we can say are categories. So this is very important for you all to understand. So if I tell you that in this entire thing, what do you understand by taxonomy, you will say that, sir, taxa means names which are given to the animals, as simple as that, or rather any organism, and it represents a particular level. Like for example, if you say Homo means genus or sapiens means species, so it represents a particular category, but in simple words they are all names only, right? So they are all names. So any name which you consider in the world of biology, any name you consider, that will be a taxa. But if you want to know to which category it belongs to, then there are separate categories. So you will say that, for example, human belongs to class Mammalia. So Mammalia is particular class, and that is representing one category. So different categories are there, as you all know, that there is genus, species, family, order, subspecies, series, order, kingdom. So kingdom is the highest category. So likewise, there are different categories correct? And inside those categories, the animals which have been placed or plants which have been placed, they are been given certain names, and these names represent the taxa. What is nomenclature? Nomenclature is basically the art of giving names. So in my previous video, which was based on scientific names, we understood what are scientific names. We also understood how are they been given to a particular organism. Now let me define taxonomy for you all. A branch of biology which deals with identification, nomenclature, and classification of organisms. Simple. So taxonomy is a branch of biology which deals with identification, nomenclature, and classification of organisms. So here, as you can see, that the names have been given to certain animals, as we saw here in case of dog or in case of human. So names have been given, scientific names have been given, and accordingly they are classified also. So today we know that dog belongs to which particular category, which particular genus, which particular species, right? Human, that is, we all belong to which particular genus, which particular species. So how is this possible? Reason being of taxonomy. Because of taxonomy, today different organisms have been identified, they have been given names, and they have been classified into different groups, different levels, and this entire process is called as taxonomy. So I hope you have understood today's part of what is exactly taxonomy. In my next video, we will also discuss about what is taxonomic hierarchy. So in that we will get into the details of how these categories, rather, which today we discussed about genus, species, family. So we will discuss how are these categories been arranged. There is a particular method. So you will understand this method in my next video. Okay, so do comment, like, and share this video with your friend. Do comments because it helps me to make many videos. It's a source of motivation, dear students. I don't see any comments on the videos, so please do comment, and do of course subscribe to my channel. Do share this with as many friends as possible, and wish you all a very happy, safe Diwali, because in India we are celebrating Diwali right now. It's the time of Diwali. So wish you all again a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. See you all in the next video. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye.